Web hosting is one of those decisions that can make or break your online presence, and with so many options flooding the market, choosing the right provider feels overwhelming. HostGator has been around since 2002, building a reputation as one of the most recognizable names in the hosting industry. But the real question is whether it still holds up in 2026 or whether newer competitors have left it behind. This breakdown covers everything from performance and pricing to customer support and value, so you can make a fully informed decision before spending a single dollar. HostGator offers three main shared hosting plans: Hatchling, Baby, and Business. The Hatchling plan is the entry-level option, supporting a single website, while the Baby plan unlocks unlimited websites, making it the most popular choice among bloggers and small business owners. The Business plan adds extras like a dedicated Internet Protocol address and a free secure sockets layer upgrade. Pricing starts attractively low on introductory offers, often dropping below $3 per month, but renewal rates are significantly higher, sometimes tripling or quadrupling the initial cost. This pricing structure is common across the hosting industry, but it is something every buyer needs to factor into their long-term budget. Annual billing gives the best value, and HostGator frequently runs promotional discounts that can bring costs down further during checkout. Performance is where hosting providers truly separate themselves, and HostGator delivers a mixed but generally acceptable experience. The company guarantees 99.9% uptime, and independent testing largely confirms this claim, with most users experiencing minimal downtime throughout the year. Load speeds, however, are more variable. On standard shared hosting, pages typically load between 1 and 2 seconds, which is acceptable but not exceptional compared to premium cloud-based competitors. HostGator uses a combination of content delivery network integration and caching tools to improve speed, particularly on higher-tier plans. For small to medium-sized websites with moderate traffic, the performance is more than adequate. High-traffic websites or resource-heavy applications may find shared hosting limiting and should consider upgrading to HostGator's virtual private server or dedicated server options for a noticeably smoother experience. HostGator comes loaded with features that cater to beginners and intermediate users alike. Every plan includes unmetered bandwidth, a free domain for the first year, and access to the cPanel control panel, which remains one of the most user-friendly interfaces in the hosting world. The one-click installer supports over 45 applications, including WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, making site setup remarkably straightforward. Free website migration is offered for new customers, which is a significant advantage for anyone switching from another provider. The business plan includes free search engine optimization tools and a free upgrade to Positive Secure Sockets layer, adding extra credibility and security to your site. HostGator also provides email hosting, allowing users to create professional email addresses tied to their domain, which is a practical feature for small businesses trying to maintain a polished online image. Customer support has historically been one of HostGator's strongest selling points, offering 24-hour, 7 days a week assistance through live chat, phone, and a ticketing system. In recent years, response quality has received mixed reviews, with some users praising quick and helpful resolutions, while others report longer wait times and inconsistent answers. The knowledge base is extensive, covering hundreds of tutorials and guides that can resolve most common issues without needing to contact support directly. For straightforward problems, the self-service resources are genuinely useful. For more complex technical issues, the quality of support can feel hit or miss depending on the representative. Overall, the support infrastructure is solid, but it no longer stands out as a clear industry leader the way it once did. HostGator in 2026 remains a reliable and feature-rich option for beginners, bloggers, and small business owners who want an established platform without a steep learning curve. The pricing is competitive at entry level, the tools are comprehensive, and the uptime is dependable. The main drawbacks are the significant price jump at renewal and the inconsistency in customer support quality. If you are launching a new website, running a personal blog, or building a small business presence online, HostGator delivers solid value. Those with growing traffic demands or advanced technical needs may eventually outgrow it, but as a starting point, it continues to earn its place among the top hosting providers available today.